Doctor Strange, what were you doing? I went to the year 2023 to see how popular this video becomes on YouTube. How many likes do we get? 14,605,000.
And how many dislikes?
1.
Aww.
Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. If you saw last week's video, you probably noticed Doctor Strange didn't have his time stone for the whole thing. This is great for if you want an endgame version of Doctor Strange when he didn't have it. Here's how we made him. If you have the official Doctor Strange minifigure, you can probably just turn the torso backwards, and he's complete. If not, try this method. We strongly recommend Iron Man's head and hairstyle. The facial hair is almost identical. The hair isn't the best, but at least it shows he likes his fancy hair products. The next thing you should do is get him a cape. Any red Superman cape will work just fine. His chest is actually the back of a torso. Specifically, this torso came from the Turtle Van Takedown set. The exact torso isn't necessary. It can come from anyone who has a dark blue torso with wrinkle printing on the back. It just adds a bit of detail. After you've found a suitable torso for him, give him some dark blue legs. Doctor Strange's belt is pretty unique. To get such a belt in LEGO, we recommend using the hip piece from LEGO Ninjago Movie Cole. Here comes the fun part: accessories. As shown in the beginning of this video, there are ways of making your Doctor Strange look like he's using the Time Stone. You can place a green neck bracket below the cape and place a green flat stud on it. Grab a handle stud and place a green diamond in the hole. Then place that in his right hand. Another accessory you can give him is his classic magical shield. Just use a handle stud and place an orange radar dish on it. You can also give him a magic fire sword if you have a kimono blade from Kai of Ninjago. You can also use a gold chain for his classic light whip. I got this one off of the Nunchucks of Lightning. Enjoy adding other magical gear to your Doctor Strange minifigure. That concludes this week's video. Tune in next week to see us prove that you don't need magic to time travel.